Hey man, it's your boy Chris Alia, aka CEasy. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle, man. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we have something like, if you're a reseller out there, this is the opportunity for you. So we have an NBA Youngboy x Vlone collab, and this is actually huge. It's NBA Youngboy's first collab, and on top of that, since it is his first collab, the resale on it is going to be crazy because Youngboy fans are some crazy fans, crazy like die-hard Youngboy fans. So with all this being said, the way this video is going to be broken up is very, very simple. So for one, I'm going to show you guys all of the images and whatnot of like what the piece is supposed to look like, so speculations. And then the third thing I'm going to go ahead and show you guys is the speculations. This is the second and third. I'm going to show you like basically what Bari said to basically confirm it. And then the final thing that we're going to go ahead and do is take a look at his current merch and just see like how much, you know, how much of a good thing this will be for Youngboy, because we're going to see what his merch is currently like. And then at the very end, I'm going to go ahead and just talk on my resale predictions, retail and resale predictions, where I think everything will be. So if you guys are new to the channel, smash up that freaking like button. We need 100 likes on this video. And if you're new to the channel, what is you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, roll to 10K. But anyways, man, let's get it. Alright, you guys, so we ain't gonna waste no time. I got the laptop right over here in my hand, and we're gonna get started and just go straight on into the piece, or the thing that you guys want to go ahead and see, and that is everything pertaining to the Vlone news. Okay, so as we can tell on the screen right now, it says NBA Youngboy. This is what he posted on his story, man. It's a whole mock-up of one of the designs. So apparently, as of right now, there's about 3 designs. 999 Peter looks like he's the designer for it. He went ahead and got this cool, nice mock-up. And for me, I really like this one. It's very nice, very clean and simple. It's like if you mess with NBA Youngboy, you're gonna like it. And if you mess with Vlone, you're gonna like it as well. And I'm hoping, to be honest, it could drop literally within a few days, because they already posted the piece. And something about, like, you know, the Vlone team or whatnot, they're very kind of like quick. They're incognito, but they're quick. It's like, and it's just, it's annoying, but it's just like, that's just kind of how it is. You really can't like set your calendar. You kind of just got to be in tune with it from the jump to make sure that everything is going smoothly. So we're just going to go ahead and zoom in, just take a better look at this piece. So it's like the 2 little guns. I don't know, a little extendo clip with some AKs, pistols, or whatever. And then you have Youngboy, little cartoon on the face, holding a little gun. It's clean, simple, nothing too loud. And the V is just a standard orange V. Nothing too special, but it's a nice piece. In my opinion, depending on, you know, certain things, I feel like the retail could go for like $60 a shirt. That's the price that I'm kind of like hoping for. If it's anything lower, because it's icing on the cake. But I feel like they're gonna try to go ahead and milk it a little bit higher. Okay, and if they have 2 more designs, my guess is that they're probably gonna have another shirt and some type of long sleeve or like a hoodie. All right, and now this is what Young Lord, except Bari, went ahead and put on his thing. It looks like one of the mock-ups. It looks like they're gonna have some type of design, just Vlone going around, maybe Vlone in NBA, and then have him in like some greenish hue in like a cartoon image. So that one is straight. And then the last thing was right here, Young Lord's words, essentially. He said, "Y'all ready for me?" and add NBA Youngboy. To me, this is an amazing collab for Vlone, just because of the fact, like, bro, it's NBA. I know some people mess with NBA, some people don't. I've been rocking with him since way back, since like Gravity, bro. If you guys know that song, you like an OG, like, you know, fan, or you like been rocking with him since like way back, since before he was really mainstream. Okay, so now that we've taken a look at all of the news and the information confirming the Vlone drop, we're gonna see the upgrade from like these few pieces and what the Vlone collab can do for NBA to like what he's currently doing with his Never Broke Again like merch line and all of that. Okay, so we're just gonna take a look at the most recent stuff, and that's just the top V2 from his newest album, apparently. So we got 1, 2, 3, we got 4 rows of stuff. You guys already know. We're gonna start at the bottom. Got a lighter. It says top. It's whatever, $10. And you have a top pop styrofoam cup 6-pack. These rappers love selling them styrofoam cups, bruh. Like, if you don't take yourself to Walmart and just buy some, bruh, come on now. Okay, now we got the hoodie. It says top wide and hoodie. They got sizes all the way from small to triple XL. You know they really trying to get these coins. And $64 for this hoodie. Don't know how I'm feeling about that one. And this is top in the front. It's just a mock-up. I don't even know if it has a drawstring. This is the back. It's a lot of colors. Okay, now we have the top Good and Evil hoodie. Black. These are all pre-sales. You're gonna receive them. When are you gonna receive them? Okay, please know this is a pre-sale item due to how the man and how traffic orders are pre-sale, so we can get an account for everyone's order. Are they not set? They're not even saying when you're expected to receive it. Come on now. Okay, so with the Vlone collab, depending on its prices, like the hoodie is gonna be nothing lower than like $88. Like that's probably gonna be like the least that we're gonna be able to see it. The top poppy hoodie. I'm not rocking with it, bro. Never broke again. Got a lot of colors. Man, ain't vibing with it. So all the hoodies on this row. Oh shoot, what's going on? Nope. All right, we back in action. Come on. Oh my goodness, what is going on? All right, there we have it. All right, so we have this over here. We got the top Wildin t-shirt. I mean, this is better. It looks like they have some Never Broke Again. I guess it's like one of those little tag things. It looks like the shirt has like a real snug fit, bro. I just feel like it is. I feel like it's not one, because you never see Youngboy really rocking like them baggy clothes like that. Even the shirts is all fitted. So of course he's probably gonna get this size and feel like it. And just from like kind of how it looks, body looks but the body looks long and like the arms are very short. I'm not messing with it. This is a cool graphic. I would say took away like the top colorfulness and just had like NBA. Like look, let me go ahead and give some for them, like my little designer skills. I'm gonna go with this. I like this little cartoon graphic, like here. I like all that. Get rid of the top and the colors. Just get rid of it in its entirety. Center this a little bit higher, and then put Youngboy Never Broke Again. Put it in a different font, like just something like nice, regular, like bolded font, and then put it in like red at the back, or even green, or even white. It will make this piece so much better. And it's just simple things that will just easily sell because of the design. It's more crisp. Now these is getting a little bit better. They're getting a little bit better. So we got a top Good and Evil t-shirt. Yeah, it's a little bit better, more the forte. What I would probably go ahead and do is stuff like just a little black and white figure right here. You can have like just in the front, and then maybe like have top at the back with this little print, and just get rid of the red and the little fence chain stuff. Like it's unnecessary, and that is a W. Okay, and this is the last piece. Same thing as last time. Those are my little critiques about how they can go ahead and possibly make it better, see more sales. But from the prices, NBA Youngboy, his regular prices is about $32 for a shirt and like $64 for a hoodie. So if that's what he's going for by himself, I'm expecting them to kind of, at least for the shirts, maybe double it up. Lowest we can see is like 48, but ideally I feel like we're going to see in the 60s for the shirts. And then for the hoodie, you're probably going to see like mid 80s to maybe up to $100. I'm really hoping for the prices to be a little bit lower, but they can low-key get away with these prices. The resale on this, I really feel like will be crazy, just because of the fact, like, bro, it's NBA Youngboy's first Vlone collab. His base is already huge, bro. He already has a lot of fans that buy the stuff that is currently on the website. So to let them know that there's something more hype that they can go ahead and get, people are gonna go like that. Now, the issue with this is that if they might do pre-orders like this, because y'all know how Vlone is, so you can get your hands on it. I don't really know how the buy and hold tactic would work, so as soon as you get the pieces, look to sell. But anyways, guys, I got 2 questions for you guys. 1, let me know if you plan on copying, and 2, let me know if you knew about this job. Like, if you guys knew about it, go ahead and comment, and if you didn't, go ahead and comment as well. Also, guys, make sure you smash that like button. We need 100 likes, because y'all know I'll be giving you guys the inside scoop of everything fashion and business. You know what I'm saying? There's like an art to this stuff. It's like, use your love for the drip to like fund your pockets as well. And of course, if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. But anyway, support Alia, aka CEasy, and I'm out.